Welcome to ABS 2020. My name is Traci Fine of Fine Makeup Art and Associates. I'm honored to be here with you and share 30 years of knowledge in the beauty industry. I'll be instructing 2 classes in makeup artistry on Sunday, April 19th. As a young teenager, my very first job in the beauty and fashion industry was right here at ABS. I learned a lot and I got a fabulous haircut. Decades later, I'm really honored to be here as an educator. My career in the beauty and fashion industry has been a fun and rewarding journey that has taken me across the globe to places like Paris, Tokyo, Milan, and Barcelona. I can be found on set for clients like Nike, Chicago PD, Time Magazine, People Magazine, CNN, U.S. presidents, foreign heads of state, and the CEOs of some of the world's largest companies. Fine Makeup Art Weddings has been chosen as a leader in the bridal makeup industry by Brides Magazine and is a preferred vendor of many of the iconic hotels along Chicago's famed Michigan Avenue. My journey in the beauty industry has come full circle. Join me April 19th for the business of bridal makeup at 9:30 and makeup for TV and advertising at 2 p.m. See you at ABS!